Greetings everybody, welcome to another video. In this particular segment I'm going to show you how you can create diagonal lines that look nice and sharp. So I'm using my square brush tool, just creating a simple line here, and you can always use the transform tool and you can rotate, but the problem is that you can only rotate it about the center, and you can change the pivot, but the line is just so small. So what I find to be super helpful is you just draw an extra dot, right? And if you hit the transform tool, now you have the ability to go ahead and adjust the pivot, and I can just move this pivot down to this corner. How did I do that? There's a small checkbox here that is available, and you can now rotate, and then you can duplicate, Command J, move the pivot. So if you don't have something like Hej Stylus and you are looking for a cheap, economical way of creating perspective lines, it takes a little bit longer to do, but I think it's actually a pretty worthwhile endeavor. Me personally, I like using tools that help me save time, but there are those moments where I don't have access to those tools, and you just have to use whatever works. So hopefully this quick tip will help some of you out. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about this type of stuff, and tell me one thing that you've learned from watching my videos. I would greatly appreciate the feedback. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.